I'm gonna max out. Watch.
I believe in you. I might do it with you.
I think you should. Also, guys, if you guys want to start an account, passing week, I'm down to doing. I have a fresh eval. I'll only trade in Asia if you guys want to.
Fresh even.
Yeah, it's like $100 red. Would that be something you guys want to do?
Yes, Gene, please.
It's just code Gene with Alpha. That's the only um proper I'm affiliated with, but that's what I'm gonna use to trade with you guys. Let's see. Um, this account's down $100, so we'll work on that this week. Let me set up my groups. I haven't been trading size either with these Apex evals. I only traded like one or 10 micros today. It's not even that much.
What up?
Who is that?
Brandon.
Oh no.
Oh, what up, dude?
What up, dude?
No, I didn't get anything yet. I'm just waiting.
You sound sick.
Bro, I'm super sick. I had FUD today and I couldn't even taste it.
Good, my guy. Sound like the COVID man.
Yeah, pretty much. For some reason, my payout button isn't coming up, so I was over here chatting with their support. I don't know why that could be. Meantime, we're gonna trade the Apex evals and the Alpha Fundits. I need like 1,500 more on both of these accounts for another Alpha payout too. This payout's coming all month. I don't mind loss limits. I don't mind loss limits and I don't mind consistency. I mean, you figure if you got 20 PA accounts and you're hitting the loss limit on all 20, you're losing 20 grand theoretically, which I don't want to lose that much.
I feel like anyone who hates on daily loss limits, it's because you're wanting to degen.
Yep, for sure.
Either you're sizing way too big or you're over trading and trying to get back to green after you're very red.
The only thing I hate is daily loss limits on evals.
Yeah, that's different though.
Yeah. Alright, all of our accounts are set up. Let's see if we trade the right amount of contracts. 4 times 5 is 20. Ooh. Alright, I think we're good to go. Where is nothing? Alright. Now time to start drawing. Let's go to our hour. It's so nice outside, guys. I have the windows open. Well, I have the blinds open, not the windows. You can't open these windows. You guys see that 4-hour candle? Insane. kind of like this 850 area.
$8.50 or $9.50?
850.
That's
It's
down
far.
there.
Yeah, I know. For us to go short, I would probably like to see a swipe of 946 and a hold under. Is there a number? Mainly if I just hit my loss limit, honestly. I'm just chilling right now, guys. No confirmations. When I get these Apex accounts funded, though, best believe I'm gonna be taking them serious. It's literally insane. I mean, I'm kind of proud of Apex. They really are. I mean, you have to wait until I have my own experiences with them, but as far as what they're saying, they're not gonna have any more hidden rules that they did before. No MAE rule, just no BS. Which is
What even is MA?
yeah.
Never heard of
I
that
don't know what it
before.
stands for, but basically, say that you have a 2K drawdown, you can't be down more than 600 in one position.
You can't be down more than $600.
Yeah. Yep.
Is that just specific to a 50K account or any account?
It's 30% whatever your drawdown is. You're
Oh, got
trailing.
it. And what happens if you are?
You got to trade more days.
Oh,
Yep.
weird.
Yeah, but who knows? I mean, they have the highest limits now, so you can have 20 accounts, which is literally insane. Um, and yeah, a lot of our members have gotten payouts from them too.
I don't
The,
think that was a 2 bar. The
uh,
way I understand what a 2 bar is, I don't think that was a 2 bar.
I still don't know what a 2 bar is.
I think that there has to be 2 trend-setting candles with confirming volume. And
Yep.
every single candle, except for this current 5-minute candle it's printing, has been an inside candle of the first 5-minute candle.
You know what I actually do like?
Definitely not trend-setting.
What I actually do like, guys, is if we close this 15-minute week and then wick back in on the 25,000 area, I like that area for shorts.
Mm-hmm.
Somewhat small risk too. Keep your stop above like 25.11, 25.20 with a good amount of reward. I'm gonna be dull today, guys. I don't feel well. What a nice drop off the morning or off the open though. Wow, 60 points. Exactly. No, you're gonna blow your accounts if you use that code.
No, I think you have the right idea, but the reason why I don't think it's like the two, like, I mean, Jadon created the 2 bar as far as I'm concerned. I've never heard anyone else talk about it,
He did.
but those candles, so like the third candle since we opened has slightly more volume, but it has a teeny tiny body, and it's an inside bar of the first 5-minute candle. So I don't know what Gene thinks, but I don't think that he would ever take that as an entry. You can, but I don't think it applies to the point is to have a big trend setting candle and pull back into the trend setting candle that has high volume.
Honestly, I wouldn't even know, guys, because I don't even know how to trade a 2 bar. I don't even know what a 2 bar is. I literally need him to sit down and explain it to me like a 2-year-old.
Mhm.
At the end of the day, though, I mean, I don't really. I want to say like I don't really care about 2 bar just because I have something that already works.
That's not your strategy. You don't have to feel bad about saying that.
Yeah. But when he was, because I questioned about it, I was like, where did you even like figure this out? Literally, it was just off of him recognizing a pattern of it happening over and over and over.
Mm.
So it was very original to him, which I think is cool. Like you don't really hear that, you know.
I agree.
Jen trades ICT.
I do.
She can't trade.
I love to look for a large fair value gap.
You really trade ICT?
No.
Okay, good.
No, the only thing I know about ICT is that fair value gaps are a part of it. And I know what a fair value gap is, but I have no idea how to actually utilize it.
I don't know how to use
or how it's supposed. It confuses me because some people say that they're supposed to inverse and some people say that they're supposed to be like a retracement, but I don't understand why one should inverse versus be a retracement.
Well, like the thing too is people talk about fair value gaps like saying like on 1 minute fair value gaps. I'm like, bro, how do you even dictate a pattern on a 1 minute? You know how many candles go into a day on the 1 minute? Literally, what is that? That's 240. That's 580 candles. Or no, I'm way off. 480
What?
candles. 480 candles in an 8-hour period.
Doesn't Brandon, or not Brandon, sorry, not you, Brandon, GD, doesn't GD trade
Yeah.
ICT sort of?
Just for value gaps, that's it.
He only does the fair value gaps in the inverse.
But he's good at it.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, it's kind of like
I've noticed. I just don't understand it.
His confluence is when it comes back to like pre-market highs, pre-market lows, or like the ADMA with it. It's not just like ever basing it based off of that.
So then he kind of trades like me. Because I trade EMAs too. I trade EMAs, levels, and price action.
Yeah, I mean, if you do it that way, it's no different than looking for a pullback into any big trend setting candle. Because for there to be a fair value gap, there has to be a large trend setting candle, right? So, like,
I don't know.
that makes sense. Maybe I do trade ICT and I just didn't know it.
I mean, look, you could kind of call this, I think, a fair value gap. From here to here, comes up, retraces it. I don't know, maybe.
Yeah, that is.
All right. 15-minute. Yeah, I literally could not tell you. I don't know, and I really don't care. That kind of sounds like cocky, but I really don't care. I'm not trying to put more stuff into my strategy. My strategy works. That's a lot. I just need it to work. That's
I think it's wise to not overcrowd your mind with things that aren't applicable to how you trade.
Yeah, I remember my friend was having some success with it like 2 years ago with the whole ICT thing, and he wanted me to watch the free thing on YouTube, and I'm like, all right, I'll try to watch it, and I'm like, dude, this is like, I think it was like 20 hours or something like that. I'm like, bro, literally, I just need to focus on my strategy and just not be stupid.
Yes.
I trade fibs, Mr. Gene.
Yeah.
I put a fib on my chart today. I didn't trade off of it.
Look at you.
I've been playing around with them just to see how price reacts. And it's actually quite intriguing because they are very accurate.
Yo,
Fibs are goated.
Like the area that we reversed, that like 25,101, technically it was like 5 points away from where the 0.6 whatever one is from the top of the recent downtrend. But I was like, whoa, that's pretty impressive. That was like a big reaction. So
for sure.
I need to watch some of your classes, Brandon, so I can know how to use them better.
You should.
I think me and Brandon use
Are you
use
taking
a little
one-on-one
different.
students right now?
Sure.
Okay, perfect.
Wow.
Next time you're at the office, I got you.
I really do want to learn fibs, actually. I just don't
50%,
have I don't have
61.8.
confidence in where to place them.
Me
Like
and
Right.
what time frame and whatever, you know?
Ready?
Damn.
Listen to this.
What?
Pivot high, pivot low, pivot low, pivot high, 50% retracement, 61.8. Wait for price to trade to it. Look for bullish or bearish reaction. Take your trade.
You're not cool.
That's a 2-hour class in 5 seconds.
So like let me ask you this. So I drew a fib on my chart that I'd kind of been watching all day from the high that was set on Wednesday of last week. It was 25,49475 to the most recent low that happened overnight. And we almost hit the 61.8, but we missed it by like 5 points. So should I have entered it early? Or do you always wait for it to perfectly hit the level and react?
Depends.
Yeah, it's kind of
Usually I would
hard.
like to hit. I like when it. My favorite is when it overshoots the level and then comes back up and reclaims it on that same candle.
Yeah, that's what I like when I'm looking for bounces too. So that makes sense. That's why I didn't try it, honestly. I was like, maybe I'll try it on this one. And I was like, eh. And then it just dumped, and I was like, never mind.
Only one way to get good at it, and that's fucking nuking it.
Yep.
Full port, right?
Full port
Yep.
Friday.
I caught a heat missile of a trade today.
No, you didn't,
90
bro.
bucks.
No,
Was
you
it a fib?
didn't.
No, it was based off order flow.
I want to learn that too.
Just want me to teach you everything, huh?
I got book maps, but
I didn't say
honestly,
you have to teach me. It just intrigues me. I'm the opposite of Gene. I'm like, I want to learn everything.
I don't.
What'd you say, Gene?
I said I don't. I don't want to learn everything.
You got your book map.
Yeah, but I'm probably gonna cancel it and not use it anymore because I don't know how to work it.
I didn't know you used bookmap, Gene.
Let me teach you.
I literally downloaded it, tried to connect it, and like I don't understand it. And honestly, I haven't opened it since last week.
I've had many, many, many conversations with them to simplify the website and setting it up.
Just like the whole
like talking-
interface, like I don't know. Then like they have videos where you can watch how to set it up, but I'm literally not. I'm just not trying to do it like that. Like I'm the type of guy that when I get something and you have directions, I'll try to set it up first before I read the directions.
Yeah,
I'll
I
show you
hate
on Thursday,
directions.
buddy.
I think that's a lot of guys, but unless I know I can mess something up, then I'll look at the directions first.
I'll show you on Thursday. I got you.
All right. Need to learn. Oh, I feel terrible. I feel like it
Why
keeps
you want? Why'd
getting
your
worse.
father not give you the day off?
Because I'm thugging it out.
It's part of being a team bull admin. Sick time.
Yeah, I know. I mean, what else am I gonna do? I'm just gonna lay in bed, play the game. That's it. Watch movies. There's no. I have nothing else better to be doing.
Send your request to HR. I'll approve it.
You're funny. Jen's HR now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, right. I'm not looking for anything this exact moment on gold.
I liked shorts right there at that retracement of the AEMA, but I hesitated. I didn't want to pull it because I didn't like the way that this 15-minute closed.
Well, it's kind of a tricky spot. I was looking at it too, honestly, but it's kind of a tricky spot because it's that last candle bounced
I would have
The
liked
last
it.
15-minute candle bounced right at the most recent area where we bounced and pushed back up.
I would have liked it better at like 980, and with the rejection, but we didn't even touch VWAP. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't really like it.
Do you use fibs on gold, Brandon? I should start playing them on gold.
Yeah, wherever there's clear cut pivot low and pivot high, or pivot high, pivot low.
So could I do one from the top of price action overnight yesterday, like last night, to the low of day from New York session?
Mm.
Or is that not good? We're kind of rejecting the 50% right now.
You ever get that
Actually.
feeling when you have a payout locked in, but you just want to see it in your account?
Yeah, you
Hold
could
on.
based off the 1 hour.
Is that good?
Yeah, on the 1 hour.
Why not on the 5 minute? I did it on the 5 minute.
It's gotta be like a really quick and direct move.
Oh.
Yeah.
Interesting. I didn't know that part.
I need to get another screen. Is anybody there? Hello? Nobody's talking to me. Everybody's ignoring me.
We were both just talking.
No, don't talk to each other. Talk to me.
We're talking fibs.
Talking fibs.
Fibonacci's.
You're a fibber. I don't know. I've never gotten a payout through Apex. I'm barely like these are barely my. These are the most accounts I've ever had with them. The max I've ever had is 2 before this. Now I have 5. Has gold still been moving crazy? Kinda. Should we start trading gold again?
Always be trading gold for Asia.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Get with it, Gene.
Jeez. Look at that rejection at 360. I don't know. I'm still kind of scared. I feel like I'm gonna get smoked on gold.
Just small size. Whoa. If you draw the low to the high on gold from Friday's low to Friday's high, we bounced almost exactly at the 61.8 during today's session. It's really crazy. How's that?
Yup.
What have I been missing out on this whole time?
You fibs are goaded.
I had to call it quits today. Trading New York. I was telling you about it, Jen. I broke my rule.
Yeah.
I was holding for hope. It went green. I was right. But, yeah. You guys got any questions while we're just waiting? Any questions for me?
Where are we getting breakfast burritos on Friday?
I don't know. I don't know where I want to go. I want to go somewhere good, though.
Yeah.
I kind of want to drive up north.
That sounds far.
Yeah, I know it is far, but it's worth it.
I'll be right back.
All right.
Ooh, Mr. Gene.
What up?
What's up, dog?
What up, dude?
I miss you.
Miss you too, bro. I haven't seen you in a while. I was on deployment for Nasdaqistan.
What?
I was on a deployment in Nasdaqistan.
Oh yeah. Did you go to Iran too?
No,
Oh,
not there.
I would have left you there.
Wow. No, I don't have any videos out right now. Where's my other phone? You're having UFC at your house?
Yeah, you want to come?
Yeah, I don't think I'm doing anything this weekend.
It's Max Holloway and Oliveira.
A la verga?
Not a bad guy.
No, I don't ever go live on Sundays. I don't trade well on Sundays, Asia. And if I do trade on Sundays, it's in like really late, like 10 p.m. and I'm not getting on. I'm usually trading from bed.
Yeah, and I don't really go live on Sundays because it's a family day. So I try to respect that.
Yeah.
I have a few times, but for the most part, I don't.
My friend just got a payout today too.
So,
Donald. Donald
good
Beck.
job.
I'll tell him. He has one-on-one coaching with me for free.
Damn, dude, let me get that. You're so good.
No, you're my coach.
You gotta teach your coach.
I don't know what to teach you, dude.
You're so good. You just gotta teach me something.
All right, I will figure out what I can teach
Bro,
you.
you gotta post that video.
Which one? Oh no.
What is
No.
it?
There's a video that Gene sent me from 5 years ago. I caught out this, or like 4 years ago, I caught out this AMD trade. He made like $50. He was so fucking hyped. You
Yeah.
could hear me in the background. He's like, "Yeah, let's fucking go, $50."
Yeah.
So cute.
It's crazy. I think you could hear you and Grizzly on it. I was trading AMD that day. I was trading it from my couch. I was
He
only
was
like
using some
19.
profanity, so I don't know if he could post it.
What'd you say?
Said he was using some profanity, so I don't think he could post it.
Yeah. My street profanity. That's what you want to call it.
Those were the good days.
Those really good days. It's crazy. When I traded options. Guys, this is super choppy. I don't know. What news do we have this week? Let me check. Um, let's see. USA. There's some news. Wait, what is it? Is this in Eastern time? Budget. Nothing tomorrow. ISM PMI. Non-farm employment change. Unemployment claims. I don't think we really have anything. Where's that volume coming in?
buy best for daily payouts because it's end of day drawdown.
Yeah,
But they have
agree.
payout caps, and Take Profit Trader doesn't. So it just kind of depends on what you're looking for. To me, a max of $1,000 a day on a 50K account is plenty, though.
I agree.
I think that having the ability to pull out more is usually what makes people blow their daily payout accounts.
Really want to see it pull up into like this 970 to 980 area for shorts. Could have tried it right there, but I'm gonna wait.
I like 973, 974.
Yo, I'm gonna wait. How are we almost an hour in already?
I don't know.
Literally, like, where is time going? No, I'm not. I'm not anything. I'm just chilling, guys. We're waiting. Waiting for a trade. Probably start adding at like 970 up into this area. See where our fib is for the session. Yeah, that's prime location is at 970 to 980 area. I'm gonna watch that, guys. We need to pull up like another 15 points or so for our key entry. See if we get up there on lower volume and look for a potential short. I'll most likely get in with 5 micros on my fundeds and probably 10 on my eval. Just saying for a second, guys.
I'm out of here.
Why?
So I don't feel like sitting here at my desk all day.
Alright, bro. I'll talk to you later.
Peace.
Stop loss would probably be above the 90s or so. I don't know. I'll decide that when we're getting up to that area. It really depends on how we're looking. But as far as a potential entry, I do like that 970 to 980 area with targets all the way. First trade would probably be around 20, 25 points, and then eventually low day. See if we get it. Just give you guys my game plan.
Gave you his game plan.
That's my
So
game plan.
nobody say he didn't.
Yep. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, if you're in the green, then no, I think it stays. It depends on what firm. Come on, give us 977. That would be literally awesome, dude.
Totally.
Totally, dude. Come on. Come on, give it to us, please. If it doesn't give it to us, it's Jen's fault.
Hi.
Why?
Yeah,
Cause
that's so mean.
it doesn't give it to us, it's Jen's fault, guys. Remember,
Why am I echoing?
remember who we blame.
Cheese.
What?
Gold. Just going wrong from an area that I was kind of watching, but I just haven't really liked taking trades within the 15-minute range. I want to see us like break out of that, establish some clear direction.
Jen, have you ever thought about trading options?
That's so funny. I was on I filled in on Tradeify TV today, like in one of the later sessions
Uh-huh.
with Miriam. You know who Miriam is? And she was asking me about that. If I would have been opening a personal account before I found out I was pregnant, I was gonna open a futures one and an options one and start dabbling in options because I know how to trade options. I learned first before futures.
Mm-hmm.
And you can just make so much more money when there's like an explosive move, you know?
Yeah, for sure. It's not
But
standardized.
you can also lose a lot more money.
So if I do start trading options again, I've thought about it, and I think I'm gonna trade with Vanquish, which is an options prop firm. Um,
Oh,
yeah, and I think I'd want to get. I don't know if they allow for it, but I think I'd want to get more on the swing trading side of it than day trading it. All right, guys, I'm gonna watch right here for a potential first entry when we get up to the 70.
I'm watching with Gene. I looked at like 75.
Yeah, I know.
There we are.
I'm kind of scared that we're gonna come up and get near it, and I'm not gonna get an entry.
Why?
Cause I don't know.
You're not gonna get in a trade?
No, said I feel like it's gonna come up near to where I want to get in, and then like just not giving me my exact entry. Yeah, I might miss it.
Very well could happen. DC trade was short. I laughed so hard at that screenshot that Jacob posted of the person who's you're only fit because you're short.
Someone said that.
Yeah, he like posted on a story I think yesterday.
That's hilarious.
Someone responded to his like progress picture and was like, "You only look like that because you're short. Like if you were 6 foot, you wouldn't be able to be that
Bro's
lean or something." I don't know.
bro's
It was
literally a
so funny.
monster.
Like idiot. Getting close. That was a nice lower volume candle.
All right, guys, I'm watching this area. Let you know if I enter. All right, guys, I'm gonna try some right here. Told you my sizing.
Yeah, tried it too already.
If you want a standardized stop, you can stop above 90. Give it a try, guys. Let me take this. Oh, they can leave me a voicemail. Screw them. Alright, guys. As of right now, I'm in with 5 micros on my funded account, but we can get a potential to add more. I hate doing the math. Let me think. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay. My max position, if I do get another ad, will be 8 micros on my fundeds. And honestly, I could go a little heavier on these evals. My fill was 75. I'm short. Target O date. LOD for 30 points.
Like the reaction so far.
Me too.
Oh shoot. Oh, I accidentally just exited. I was trying to move my stuff.
Come on, Jennifer.
Oh my gosh. I'm an idiot.
You could re-enter.
I might. I'm watching still. I feel like such a freaking idiot now.
I do like this trade, guys. We ended up coming up testing the 8 EMA and the 21 EMA on the 15, testing VWAP. We usually need to close on this 5-minute below VWAP. We are about to close it. Our candle, though.
I don't want to enter here. If it pulls back up and gives another entry, I might re-enter. Did I tell you I got wealth charts?
Yeah. What do you think of it?
I'm like learning it, so it's just different. So I am not used to the way it works. Stop going without me. Oh my gosh, the copy trading is so much
Bananas?
better on wealth charts.
Is it bananas?
Yeah, you can do bracket orders, you can do trailing stops
That's awesome.
with copy trading. I'm still like figuring it out, but it's once it's selected, it cannot deselect because that's the biggest thing with freaking Tradeabate that was just driving me insane is it would just randomly deselect my group, and then I would like in the same session I would go to enter and enter 25 micros on one account.
Send me a photo of what what it looks like.
I have both so I have a separate chart pulled up for gold and NQ in this picture.
But
you can see like on the left hand side it shows my copy trading, and then
damn, I kind of like this. What the freak?
it's sick.
That's kind of cool.
Like, yeah, I'll have to show you how it works in person.
I was expecting like something tacky.
No, it's like 10 times. It's like Project X, but even better. I feel like.
Yeah, that looks dope. I like the interface. It looks very customizable.
Yeah, you can add whatever like.
I like too how you
indicators
could have
want.
multiple charts. Come on, let it fall through. Die. We're at
Nice.
almost 20 points, guys. Yep, we're
Well, I
20
missed my
points.
opportunity to re-enter because I was talking.
Come on. Keep pushing.
Die for him.
You guys take a trim at 55 or so, if you guys would like to. Come on.
The other thing that's cool,
Drop.
Gene,
Put it up,
if you look
please.
at,
Please.
if you look at the bottom of the picture, it shows you your total across all accounts if you're copy trading, which is just kind of nice. Because I exited that accidentally, I made 20 per account, but it shows at the bottom I made 102 across the 5 accounts, which I think is kind of sick. I kind of like the long on gold from here, potentially. Where are we at timing-wise?
Wow.
I think I missed it.
We found out it jokes around with us.
Wow.
I swear, guys. I think this is gonna joke around with us.
That 5-minute candle is looking a little
Yeah, like no mames.
concerning. I mean, the 1 hour candle closed above the 8 and it bounced. We bounced right in the same area that we bounced earlier in the New York session.
Yeah.
So that's kind of the only concerning thing. Should have tried that long on gold.
Wow.
I'm not gonna re-enter it now.
I'm gonna wait and
Personally.
see how we react to this 61.8 retracement. That was literally insane though, guys. Like, what the freak? What the actual freak, guys? I told y'all to trim. Just saying.
It's real. I mean, it was 25 points basically from your entry.
It was just fast
Right?
though. Yeah, it was near 25 points. It was just fast though, dude. That
Yeah,
happened
that was
fast.
it's hard when that happens.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Does what cost extra? The wealth charts? I have no idea. You would have to look. Not sure. I didn't pay attention.
Not really digging that close too much. Still in it though. We shall see how this goes. If you guys are uncomfortable, remember, you guys can always close the trade. Right at break even.
I don't know what gold or what oil is. Wiki Woman says, oh wait, no, she said
It's CL.
for gold.
That's the ticker.
MGC1 for gold is for the charting, but the contract right now is MGCJ6. J is in Jen.
J is in Jan.
6 is in the number. 6.
No, I'm still in it.
Back into green.
So I'll probably be above these 90s. I'll let you know if I stop out. Case by case scenario. If you guys want a standard stop, 15, 20 points, you guys could do. If you want to. If you guys don't feel comfortable, you guys can always close it. We are smallish green. I don't know if I'll consider adding anymore. Just because I didn't like how we had that swipe down, and then now we're kind of. We pushed up off of it, but now like we're hesitating. Ideally, if I would have got that ad, we would have went a little bit higher. I would have added, and then we would have started moving our direction. Let me grab some more water. You ready for summer, Jen?
Yes and no, because I know I'm going to be miserable because I'm going to be huge.
Oh yeah, I can't wait to go
But-
camping and do hood rat stuff with my friends.
Hood rat stuff?
Hood rat stuff, Jen.
I won't be partaking in the hood rat stuff personally, but I do love the summer. I live for like golf cart rides to the pool with my kids. It's like my favorite thing in the world.
Yup.
You'll have to come hit up the pool with us.
You have a pool in your community?
We have 3.
Nice.
Technically, we have more than 3, but we don't have access to the country club ones because we're not members.
I'm not really good at swimming, so I'll just hang out with whichever kid doesn't swim.
Both my kids like live in the water if we go to the pool.
All right, then they can teach me something.
Yeah, I mean, but so like the pool I take them to, like half of it is super shallow. It's like
Okay.
goes from like 6 inches to like 1.5 feet, so you can just like sit in the water and like cool off without having to like fully swim.
For sure.
And then there's like a deeper part, so I like that one because it's chill. Oh, it's dropping again, Jean.
I know.
I want to make sure you're paying attention. Yeah, I really want to become a member of the country club in our neighborhood because their pool is so nice.
I can't imagine like when I become a country club member when like I'm older. Like I don't know what people are gonna think. I'm just gonna be a tatted up Mexican dude with tattoos on my neck. Strolling
Don't fit
in.
right in.
See, I don't like how we're popping up off.
Yeah, there's some buying pressure for sure.
I feel like if we are gonna push, we're gonna push hard down because of all this foolishness that the buyers are playing with the shorters. Come on, give us a short. Give us the short.
Around.
Come on, push down, please. Come on, I got time for this BS. I'm sick. Come on, Nasdaqita. Nice. Come on, Nasdaqita.
Good closey close.
If we push, guys, we're gonna. I think we can die, honestly. She needs to go.
Okay. Actually looks fire on the 45-minute chart.
What? What the
I'm
freak?
just
What the
flipping through the time frames, and on the
freaking
45-minute
freak?
chart, there's like a fat trend-setting candle, nice retrace, like 2/3 of the way up. Now it's
Vámonos.
rejecting.
Grow some huevos. Come on, sellers. Push. Please, Nasdaqita, do not send me to Nasdaqistan.
You're out of control.
There's 20 points again there, guys. If you guys didn't get a trim, you guys take a trim.
Like it.
Vámonos. Vámonos, puto.
Take it. Isn't there a song that says that?
I don't know. I think that's your generation. Not mine.
Probably.
Come on. Vámonos.
Come on, vámonos. Everybody, let's go.
There's 25 points.
Going. It's going. It's going.
Vámonos, puto.
Come on, let's get to it.
You guys take a trim. Please take a trim, please. Fully,
Where are we
please.
going? To low of day.
Where are we going? We're going to India.
Oh, you're out of control. Out of control. I don't want to have to call HR.
I've been looking at trips for this summer.
India?
That's potential. There we
For
go.
real?
All right, you guys better trim. So I'm gonna go to your
Trim!
house, and I'm gonna get you.
Trim!
If you guys don't trim, I'm gonna get you.
Well, low-key, I feel like the floor could just fall out from under this now.
Oh, for sure.
We can hold under these lows.
Dude. I'm so close to passing these evals on Apex. I need like $500. Totally.
Wow.
I
I think $20 per account. So
took a large piece
I'm
off there,
like,
guys. I'm only in runners. I'm gonna put them in profit at 65. So if they hit 65, I'm all out. Nice 35-point trade to start the week. Yes, my friends.
Huh? Oh, nice engulfing about to close on the 15. Looking good. Nice job, Andrew.
We didn't get that ad. Thank you, guys. We didn't get that ad, but that's fine. You know, we still made some good DINERO off that. That's why
Go
they call
post
me
your
DINERO.
gang and tag Gene.
Jen, have I ever told you where that name comes from?
Gene?
No.
I'm
Dinero.
assuming your mom. I don't know.
No, dinero.
No, I just assumed it's because you're Mexican and that's the Spanish word for money, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, but that name comes from back in my street days.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Yoicks.
Yeah.
Okay, we're breaking out to the.
You cut out, Jen. Jennifer. Is that me or her? Can you guys still hear me? Hello? Can you guys hear me? So
to see what it does.
Dude, what the heck? I think the trade broke my computer.
What do you mean?
It froze. I couldn't hear you or anybody. My charts froze. My chat froze.